Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets, and today we're going to be unboxing something that's really special, really cool. As a matter of fact, I wanted to check this out since the first day it was dropped, but it's finally here. You can see how excited I am. Let's get this thing out of the box and check it out and see what's up. But before we do that, I have a quick announcement to make. I'm going to be doing a massive subscriber giveaway on the channel where at least 5 people can get a chance to win some awesome prizes. So if you're into tech and you're interested in snatching up some really awesome stuff, here's what you got to do to make sure you don't miss out. First, hop over to the CH Gadgets YouTube channel and make sure you click the bell notification icon after you click the subscribe button. Yes, you have to be subscribed in order to win. It is a subscriber giveaway after all, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And second, leave a comment in this video so that I can know all the people that was here before the giveaway goes live. And make sure you use the hashtag #I'mReady so that I can know who you are. And as soon as this video hits 1,500 likes, I'm gonna be launching that giveaway. So make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification. Alright, that's it. Let's go unbox this thing and see what's up. Alright guys, so this is the Mate 10 Pro. Here you got that dual Leica camera. Let's get it out of the box. Ooh. So nice. Alright. So you can see, this is the midnight blue Huawei Mate 10 Pro. 2 cameras right there. Laser assist, dual flash, fingerprint scanner. Let's put to the side and see what else is inside the box. Right. So right here, get a nice case. Aha! Get a USB fast charge. USB-A to USB-C, got a little purple accent. Get a nice USB-C earbuds. Try that out, very Apple-esque, and you already know there's no headphone jack, so you got jack in the box. All right, let's take a little closer look, fire it up. All right, so I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk about it. All right guys, so I finally got this thing set up, entered all my information, and I've been trying it out for a little bit, and I have to be 100% honest here. This phone is a beast. This thing is super snappy, loads app really fast, and the camera, that's a complete video by itself. But for now, we're just gonna go over some of the specs real quick and talk about why this camera is such a beast. Now, so this phone is really nice. This is the midnight blue version, and as you can see on the back, we have to address the elephant in the room. This thing is a bona fide fingerprint magnet. But that's the price you gotta pay to have luxury in the palm of your hands, because this thing feels super premium, it looks super premium, and this thing looks really gorgeous. You got that band running across where they got the 2 camera modules and the laser assist for the cameras, and also the 2-tone LED flash. And right there you got your fingerprint scanner. Let's run through some of the specs real quick and see why this phone is such a beast. So the Huawei Mate 10 Pro comes with a 6-inch 18:9 OLED display. It has a resolution of about 2160 by 1080 pixels and about 402 on the PPI count. And you know it's OLED, so you can expect 16 million colors at a contrast ratio of about 70,000 to 1 coming at your eyeballs out of this thing. Now, inside the device driving this thing is the Kirin 970 octa-core CPU and the Mali G72 MP12 GPU and Huawei's proprietary MPU. But we're gonna be talking a lot more about that, so keep on watching. You also get Android 8.0 out of the box, along with Huawei's EMUI skin on top, just to spice things up a bit. This is the 6GB 128GB memory option. Sorry, there's no way to have external memory here. But for the really low price that is being sold at right now, along with a solid 4,000 milliamp hour battery and USB Type-C SuperCharge. Plus, they give you a generous 128 gig memory, which makes this a really good value in my opinion. So let's talk about what makes the Mate 10 Pro so special, and that is you can expect almost everything that a flagship smartphone has to offer in 2018, minus the wireless charging that is. But the Mate 10 Pro is really impressive. It has a dual rear camera setup, one 20 megapixel monochrome sensor, and a 12 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS color sensor that is outfitted with some Leica design Similux H lens at a super fast 1.6 aperture at about a 27mm full frame equivalent. There's also optical image stabilization with a really sophisticated autofocusing system that uses contrast detection and phase detection to acquire and lock on to a subject in photo and in video mode. The Mate 10 Pro is also capable of recording videos at 1080, 30 and 60 fps and 4K at 30 fps. The front-facing camera features an 8 megapixel sensor at about a f2 lens that is all powered by Huawei's new neural processing unit. That is also called the NPU for short, which is Huawei's artificial intelligence that works behind the scene to make your life easy. And this, combined with all the hardware, is capable of producing some of the most amazing photos and videos of any smartphone. So overall, I think if you should pick this up right now, you can't go wrong. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro is a solid phone selling at a mid-range price. It's a solid flagship phone, and right now you can get this for about $550 or less. Sometimes it's for less. OnePlus 6 is a budget smartphone that's being sold for $550. This is a flagship smartphone that is selling for a mid-range price. I think it's a win. All right guys, so that's it. That's my unboxing of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos about this phone, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out when those videos drop. So yeah, I'm really excited to put this thing through its paces so that I can let you guys see what this thing can do. But I'm also curious to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the Huawei Mate 10 Pro down in the comment section right below the like button. And if you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But if you didn't like it, you can also give it a thumbs down. That's okay too. I appreciate your honesty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2 of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro video.